Hello, this is a video note demo on how to install qtVlm on a PC, and we'll use on a PC. We also have a version for the Mac. This is installed with a PC, and we'll use both Edge and Chrome because the way Microsoft tries to block the install is a little bit different on both of them. And so we're going to ultimately then load the training mode to qtVlm. But let's do it in two steps. First will be the we'll install it, and then we'll come back to the training mode. So where the instructions are that's listed in both of our courses is starpath.com/enc getting started. And then here you read all about what we're doing right now. And then here you install the latest version. And you click that. And then go to Windows here. And then we're going to take the desktop version. We've selected desktop version. Click that. And then here's where you download it. Desktop download. Okay. And so we're going to download. Here's the process up here. It looks like it's going fairly fast. Let's let that get all the way done. Okay, then in Edge, it looks like this. So what you do then is bring your mouse up here, go to these little three dots, and click them, and then say Keep, like that. And then you get another warning. And so down here, next to Delete, there is a drop-down button that says Keep Anyway. All right, now let's... okay, then it's said open file. Let's see, open file. That's one click. Oh, you're not seeing this on the other screen. Oh, let's see. It's yes. It asked me on a screen. Why is that not showing up here? Oh yeah, there it does show up. Okay, so then you say okay. Okay, here. Oh, I'm on two monitors, and it looks like the monitors are not talking to each other, and so I'm having to click this on the other screen. Okay, I'll click it on the other screen and say next. And then also, then what do we have here? We want then to go create a shortcut. Yes, let's say yes. Let's just say next again. Next. And then install. And that does not take long. And then after it installs, it's going to ask us about some charts. And these are not the training charts. These are the base map charts. So we do have to install those the first time. Let's say finish. Oh, okay, finish. Now, okay, charts are loading. Can I click that one here? Oh yeah, I did. I can click that one. Okay, and this is the process of downloading the base map charts. Now, this is not, again, not the navigation charts. We will bring in the navigation charts in the next step when we install the training mode. So here we go. Let's see. Is anybody asking for anything? No. Okay, so there it is. Okay, so what we're looking at here is the default mode, the default display of qtVlm. And what we're going to do, and it has no chart, no real nav charts in it, no tides, currents, or things like that. So what we're going to do in the next step is load all of that stuff in one step. But that's the end of this process of demoing just the install process.